Have you ever played number guessing game in your childhood with your friends? See, it's a very interesting game. Hi there, this is Webstrom and today we are going to make a super interesting number guessing game in Python. So, before we dive into the main stuff, hit that subscribe button and it's like joining an exclusive club of awesome developers. Alright, so we complete the construction of this game in 6 steps. In first step, we are importing required modules. In second step, we are asking two input from user. We are asking for two input because the number which we are going to guess is in a range. Okay, so we require two input. First for lower value and another for upper value. In third step, we generate the random number between lower and upper bound. In fourth step, we initializing the number of guesses. In fifth step, we calculate the minimum number guesses is depend upon the range. Okay. In this step, we are going to take the guesses number as input. Then we test the condition, and once the condition is guessed, then loop will automatically break. In sixth step, we deploy the game. Okay. So let's move to the main stuff. So our first step is to import the required modules. To import the modules, we have to install the module. The first module which we are importing is random module. So if you want to install it by command, the command is pip install random2. See, this is already satisfied because I have already this in my system. Okay, and second is pip install python math. Okay, this is also already satisfied. If you don't know the command, you have to simply open your browser and type here a random module install python. Okay, and visit to the second link, and here you can see the command. Okay, simply you have to copy this command and paste it to the terminal, and if it is not available in your system, it will simply download it for you. Okay, now now we are importing the modules. Import random, import math. Okay, now our second step is taking input from the user. So taking input from the user, here I am writing comment because it's make easy to understand the code, and you can simply follow these steps in a better way. So first of all, we are taking a variable named lower, and we are taking input integer type, integer input for the lower value. So here we ask enter lower bound. Simply we are asking another input called upper bound. So here we ask enter the upper bound. Okay, in second step or in next step, we generating the random number between lower bound and upper bound. Okay, so here we are writing generating the random number between lower and upper bound. So we declare x a variable random, dot random lower and upper. I think we made a mistake. No, it's correct. In next line we print slash n, and next line. See, here we are printing how many chances or guesses you have. Okay, it will show you how many guesses you have to guess the correct number. You have only around math.log upper minus lower plus 1 and 2 as a base. Okay, to guess the number. It will showing an error. And what is the error? What mistake we made? Okay, now this is correct. And in next step we initializing the number guesses. For that we count 0, and for the calculation of minimum number of guesses. See, the calculation of minimum number is totally depend upon the range. Okay, so this thing I'm going to write here upon the range. Okay, so for that we are initiate a while loop for count which is smaller than math dot seal. Here we using this command, and upper minus lower minus 1 and 2 column. Okay, if any errors arises during writing the code, we uh, solve it by same place. Okay, here we are taking guesses as a input. Okay, as an input here we are declared a variable guess, and we are taking an input for guess a number. Now in next step we are test the condition. If x is equal to guess, then it will print Congratulations, you did it in. See here we can use f string. Okay, did it in count. Try. Here once the it guessed once guess loop will automatically break. Okay, so for breaking the loop we use break. Else if x is greater than guess, then it will print you guess too small. Less than. Too high. You guess too small. Okay, so here if the guess is more than the requirement, okay, or required guess, then it will show the output. So for output we are using if statement. If count is greater than equal to math.ceil math.log upper minus lower plus 1 comma 2 print the number is %t and here is %x, the number which they enter. Okay, in else condition it will simply print better luck next time. So this is our code. If you are vibing with what we were about to create, give a thumbs up button, a little love. It's like our secret handshake. And hey, if you are new here, drop a comment below. I love to connecting with each one of you. Okay, and the whole source code is available on the description, so you can visit there and see the code and download it. Okay, so we run this. Let's say we are taking 100. So here you can see we have 7 chances to guess the integer. So let's say 40, it's too small. 90, it's too high. 70, it's too small. 80, it's too high. 75, you guessed too high. 75 is high, so 74. Congratulations, you did it in 6 tries. So number is 74 and we corrected right, and we got the message. Okay, so this code is working properly. So as always, thank you for being a part of our community. Remember to learn something new every day until you get success. This is Webstrom signing off with a virtual high five.